Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to mute channels on WhatsApp. We will start by opening our WhatsApp app. Then we will click on the lower Updates menu. Next, we click on the channel that we want to mute. Once inside the channel, we will look at the bell icon that appears at the top. You can tap on it to mute notifications for that channel, and tap again if you want to activate them again. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.